Welcome to another smart helmet accessory video from the Helmet Shop. My name is Matt, and today we will be featuring the DKS 267 clear anti-fog insert that fits the HJ-33 shield for the I-90 motorcycle helmets. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure you are ordering the correct anti-fog insert for your shield and helmet model. And we'll demonstrate how to properly install the DKS 267 insert on an HJ-33 shield. To ensure you are ordering the correct anti-fog insert, first look at the back of your helmet. You should see your helmet brand and the model number I-90. Etched in the top right side of your shield, you should see the model number HJ-33. Touching only the outer edges of the insert. Carefully remove the insert from the packaging. The insert has a yellow film on one side. Avoid touching the side of the insert without the yellow film. Do not remove the yellow film until the last step of the installation. Using the microfiber cloth provided, thoroughly clean both sides of your shield prior to installing the DKS 267 insert. Hold the insert by the edges with the yellow film facing up. Align the notch on the right side with the right inner pin of the HJ-33 shield. Touching only the edges of the insert. Slightly bow out the left side of the insert and align the left notch with the left pin. Push down on both sides of the shield and press down on the insert so it is flat to the shield. Once the insert is in place, remove the yellow film from the insert before use and inspect your work. A smudge or fingerprint can be annoying if trapped between the shield and insert. Spend the time to properly prepare your shield for installation. Keep the insert in place. Although you can take the insert out at any time, it is designed to be out of sight and there when you need it. Tinted shields are not for riding in low light or adverse weather conditions. Contact the Helmet Shop if you have questions concerning the DKS 267 anti-fog insert. Thank you and have a great day.